Getting ready to wash the dishes, y'all. The first thing I do, hey y'all, hey everybody. They're watching this video, Miss Teresa and Daphne and all of y'all. I am putting up whatever I just put up, child, and cleaning up these bags. I'm saving my paper bag, my plastic bags. I like to save a few of those every time I go to the store. I'm going so fast I can't even do a voiceover. You ever seen anybody clean up a kitchen this fast? Goodness. I wish I could clean up this fast in real life. But I rinse the dishes off first, and then after I rinse all my dishes off, I like to put my dishes in some good hot water. I really like my water hot in my sink, and I like to put some extra detergent on my dish rag at the same time as, in the water. So when I do wash the dishes, it'll be a little soapy on there. Oh, I forgot the bleach. Now I'm trying to add some bleach to the water. Yeah, I know it's good to put bleach in the water. I've been doing that ever since I could remember. When I was a little girl, my grandma told me you got to put bleach on your dishes every time. Kill the germs, and especially right now, if you ain't doing it, you need to do it because of the Rona. So go ahead and go wash these dishes, girl. Oh, girl, you better wash them dishes, girl. Look how fast you washing the dishes. Chad, I bet y'all don't want to battle. Who gonna wash dishes the fastest? Go mouth. Period. Look at that. Ooh, back hurting everything. She's still winning. Anyhow, I'm done with all these forks. Well, I'm done with the dishes now. I got the spoons and the forks last, and then the last thing I always wash is the pots and pans, the ones you cook in. And now I'm rinsing them off, rinse everything off, and make sure everything is put away. Got to put away these paper plates. I got a little hold up there that I keep my paper plates in the pantry. And now I just got to make sure this counter is all good and clean, baby. I love to have a clean kitchen. And because y'all know I like to make cooking videos, so y'all don't want to see me cook in no dirty kitchen. Now, my kitchen might be old-fashioned. One thing it might be is old-fashioned, but one thing it's not is I do not keep it dirty. Now, y'all might see me in some videos with dishes need to be washed, but my kitchen don't be dirty, baby. Because I like to eat it. I like to cook it. If I'm going to cook and eat it, it's going to have to be clean, baby. Oh, I'm so fat. Look, I got cottage cheese, but anyhow, getting ready to put those in. Look, my back hurting me, baby, y'all. My back hurt me that day. And sweep up under all these little areas up under this can. I got to get all these little crumbs and stuff from up under here. Sweep it out real good. Make sure everything is good before I clean up my kitchen in the morning, y'all. I don't clean it up at night. Because in the morning when I wake up, that's when I've got my best amount of energy to do anything is in the morning. Like, if I had to wash my dishes before I go to bed, I wouldn't, girl. I can't. Because I'd be too tired. I'd be done ate and got food, and I'd be a big fat lazy pig. Anyhow, I got a carpet down here. If y'all ain't never seen my carpet on the floor, it's not a carpet. What you call it? It's a rug. It's a big old rug in the middle of the kitchen. So that's what I'm sweeping right now. First, I sweep around it, and then I sweep it. So, got to get all of that up in the dustpan, and I'm tired now, y'all. I don't even think I'm going to put the dishes up. I think I'm going to put them up, and then, bam, look. The dishes I already put up. I ain't got tired, y'all. I put the dishes up, and now I come over to my little shelf right here, y'all. I keep hand sanitizer here and my napkin right here, and I forgot to wipe these counters. Sometimes I have like spilled wax from the candles. I guess Scooby do that because Scooby be blowing my candles out all the time. I can't have candles in the house with Scooby because he gonna always blow them out. There's a piece of wax right there. I can't get that off. I'll scrape that off later, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna put that back. And now look, it's all clean. I don't know how that flashed like that, but it did, and I ain't re-editing it out. Y'all just gonna see that, honey. But y'all see my kitchen is clean. I got all my seasons up there lined up, all pretty and things. Everything looking good, ready to fix a meal, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And it smells so delicious in this kitchen, y'all. So I'm going to write on the menu what we are having to eat tonight. And also, I'm hopefully, if I And I don't know if I'm able to record a video. I will make sure y'all see this meal that I'm writing down. And hopefully y'all will see that in the next video. And I believe y'all will. I'm going to try to record it. So anyway, that is how I clean up my kitchen. Thank you guys for cleaning with me today. And that's all I got to say in this video, you guys. And I will holler at y'all later. I'm going to enjoy my little clean kitchen before I cook, though. Bye.